In today's video, we are going to discuss how to solve an equation, or a two-step equation, with fractions. A lot of times students will look at a problem like this and freak out, to be honest. They'll see a fraction and they won't know what to do. Working with fractions in two-step equations is actually pretty easy. All we have to do is take a look at that denominator. So this fraction here, okay, is saying a number plus 3 divided by 2 equals 6. And in the previous video, we talked about how to get rid of things or move things from one side to the other. So we need to take the opposite or inverse. Okay, so taking the opposite of a division problem would be multiplying both sides by 2. Okay, so we're going to take that 2, we're going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of that denominator. So once we multiply that by 2, that's going to cancel out. So we have x plus 3 left over. And then 6 times 2 is 12. Now we solve for x, so I'm going to circle it so we know we're not going to touch that. And we're going to subtract 3 on both sides by taking the opposite of a positive 3. This cancels, and we're left with x equals 9. Okay, so we take the opposite. We need to clear the denominator, and that just means that we're going to multiply by the denominator on both sides. Okay, and then there's another type of fraction two-step equation that looks like this. So in this case, instead of multiplying first, we're actually going to circle this term right here, x divided by 2. I'm not going to touch that. Okay, so I'm going to isolate it, circled, I'm not touching it. So what's not circled? Well, we have this plus 3 that's not circled, and the inverse of a positive 3 is a negative 3. So I'm going to take 3 away on both sides so I can get my variable by itself. And positive 3 minus 3 cancels out. That's going to be 0. And I'm left with x divided by 2 equals 3, because 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay, so and then my final step, I have a number divided by 2 equals 3. Well, the inverse of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides by 2. These 2's will cancel. I have my x left over. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? I hope this helps. Fractions can be daunting when you're working with two-step equations.